Google Analytics segments are a powerful tool that allows you to isolate and analyze specific groups of users or sessions within your website data. A segment is a subset of your data that is defined by a set of conditions or rules that you specify. To get started with Google Analytics segments, you need to navigate to the Segments section in your Google Analytics account. Here you can view a list of predefined segments that Google Analytics provides, such as all sessions, all users, and new users. You can also create a new segment by clicking on the New Segment button. When creating a segment, you can specify conditions based on user characteristics such as location, language, or browser type. You can also specify conditions based on behavior such as pages visited or goals completed. For example, you can create a segment to analyze the behavior of users who have purchased a product from your website. To apply a segment to your data, you simply need to select the segment from the list of available segments. You can then view your data with the segment applied and compare it to your overall data. This allows you to see how the segment behaves compared to your overall website traffic. For example, if you have an e-commerce website, you can create a segment to analyze the behavior of users who have made a purchase. You can then compare the behavior of this segment to your overall website traffic to see if there are any differences in how they interact with your website. Best practices for using Google Analytics segments include creating segments that are specific to your business goals and using them to analyze and compare different groups of users. You should also regularly review and update your segments to ensure they remain relevant and effective. By using Google Analytics segments, you can gain a deeper understanding of your website traffic and make data-driven decisions to improve your online business.